Good evening, all of you. I am Aishman Naik of Group 4 6M ETC branch, standing before to present seminar report of our project Direct Broadcast Receiver System. Here is the content of our project. Introduction, components required, block diagram, working principle, advantages, disadvantages, application, future enhancement, conclusion, reference. Introduction. Direct broadcast receiver system refers to the satellite television system in which the subscribers or end users receive signals directly from geostationary satellites. TV is the descendant of direct to home satellite services. A number of companies provide DBS and DTS service throughout the. Here is the top 6 DTH service provider in India: Tata Sky, Dish TV, Airtel Digital TV, Videocon DTH, Sound Direct, Zing Digital. Here is the components required: Audino TV, set-top box, ODU means outdoor unit, LNB means low noise block, remote, cable, adapter, connector. Here is the schematic diagram of our project. The DBS service provider center sends the signal to geostationary orbit satellite, then it sends the signal to satellite dish and the dish sends the signal to converter. It converts the coded signal to analog signal and then it sends to the television. Block diagram. Antenna, it receives the signal from the satellite and send it to the amplifier. It amplifies the received signal and send it to the down converter. It converts the message signal and sends it to decoder. It converts coded signal to analog signal and send to basement signal. The main components of our project: antenna plays a vital role of the reception in signal from the satellite. The function of this antenna is to direct the radio wave in a narrow beam of receive the radio wave from the particular directional. Then received beams are focused a signal point through feed antenna or LNB. The LNB feeds the signal and transmit it through. Working principle. Firstly, the users generate a message signal which is passed and proceed through a terrestrial communication network to the earth station. The earth station modules a signal and sends the signal to the satellite in space, the optic frequency spectrum. The satellite amplifies and processes the signal and retransmitted is back on the downlink frequency spectrum. At the receiving earth station, the retransmitted signal is received, demodulated and amplified to get the original signal. The signal is then sent to the user through the terrestrial communication network. Then the signal from terrestrial communication network is received the television decoder, also known as a set-top box. This set-top box decoder received the signal and display the output to the television. Advantages: large coverage, high quality, high reliability, speed installation, high capacity, emergency communication. Disadvantage: the main disadvantage of direct broadcast system is if a channel is broadcast from more than a distant satellite, the separate antenna will be needed. During rain, in cloudy weather condition, the antenna fails to receive a signal frequencies for respective channels. Any disturbance or movement antenna by external force causes losses in signals. Applications: military communication, telecommunication, weather forecasting, radio broadcasting, voice communication, remote sensing applications. Future enhancement: the features of smart TV can be improved by using touchscreen technology. It can be improved in refresh rate. Then conclusion: direct broadcast system plays a vital role. The global telecommunication system, satellite communication technologies have achieved remarkable breakthrough efficiencies and increased performance in nearly half a century. Today's satellites are the digital process in sky and specialized software defines how they perform. The system provides a wide range of service such as broadcasting, high transfer rate, narrowband transmission and fixed portable or mobile terminals with global or regional coverage.